how to apply a Nike promo code at checkout on Nike.com. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with some official ways you can use to do so. So you may just follow out these steps. It's pretty quick and easy and access your discount. So for that, we can go to the Nike website, which is this one right here, and we can directly add items to our bag or cart and look out for the checkout section. Usually in the top right corner, we should be finding a bag icon or cart. We can just go and click on it in order to review our items, which is this one right here. So once we head over to the space, we can directly look out for bag on our left hand side with all the specific products. And if we want to apply promo code on that, on our right hand side, we'll be finding a summary section with an option called do you have a promo code. So we need to drop it down and there we'll be finding a box. And inside this box, we just need to enter up the code of the promo code. After that, just go and click on apply and the promo code will be instantly applied. If the code is valid, the discount will immediately appear in this order total section. And that way you can just go over and apply it up and make sure that the code has not expired or is not already used and you are not signing into your Nike member account. If the promo code does not work, that may be one of the reasons. So make sure you are signed in and click on this option called checkout to check out. In that way, you should be able to apply the promo code for your Nike products. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.